looks like it's that deep. Is it cold? Cold. Man, I bet it is that deep because there's a tree. There's the snow back up in there. Don't really see any critter tracks, but nonetheless. You gonna pee on the snow or what? You gonna get in the snow? Jump up in the snow. Come on, up, 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 up. Careful. There you go, buddy. Here. Here. Go get it. Go up there. Have some fun. Careful. Whoop. Careful. You're going to sink up to your... Well, you're going to sink over your butt. All those in favor of yellow snow, speak up. Here it comes. There we go. Yellow snow. We got yellow snow. Don't wander off too far because I can't keep track of it. Don't you jump off there. Tall old pine trees. Yeah, I think the snow is actually that deep because it from where the road is all the way back. Holy cow. You being silly? Don't you fall in that snow. What are you doing, silly? Don't jump off there. No. Come here. Come here. Rudy, come here. You goofball. No, come here. Come on, let's go back. Come on. No. Go over here and go down. No. Come over here. Don't be jumping off there. Come on. No, come here. Over here. Oh, all right. I guess that's one way. All right. Let's go back, bub.